Quattro Express is a retractable tie-down with a self-tensioning and self-retracting mechanism to quickly and safely secure wheelchairs. Our self-tensioning wheelchair tie-down can be used to secure the front or the rear of a wheelchair. Position the wheelchair centrally over the floor anchor and apply the brakes. Place the pair of Quattro Express with the hooks facing outwards. Attach Quattro Express solo onto the front anchor points by aligning the button within the cleat to the slot on the floor anchor. Slide the cleat fully home and rotate the assembly through 90 degrees. Extend the webbing and attach the hook around the wheelchair frame. The self-tensioning mechanism automatically removes any slack in the webbing. The yellow positive locking label must be clearly visible. Repeat the operation with the other Quattro Express. Ensure that the yellow positive locking labels are still clearly visible on both sides. A rear wheelchair tie-down must now be fitted. See relevant video. The front tie-downs must only be removed once the rear tie-down has been taken off. To remove Quattro Express solo, press the yellow release button, unfasten the hook from the wheelchair frame and guide the webbing into the Quattro cover reel. Turn the cleat back through 90 degrees and slide it off the floor anchor point. Repeat operation on the other side and store safely.